Hi everyone! This is your favorite DIY channel. I've got empty plastic bottles. You think I'm gonna throw them away? Oh no! I'll turn them into the most stylish flip-flops for my daughter. Enjoy! Josie, sweetie, what is this? Dad, what do you think about these sneakers? Whoa! Thank you, Mom! Bruce is back at it again with his ideas. How interesting! Josie, this is for you! A new gold backpack! It's so nice! But my book doesn't fit. I didn't think this through. Oh, it's a challenge for me. Phew, it's pretty complicated. There you go, sweetie. Your backpack is done. Honey, this is for you. A new backpack that can hold all your books. Thanks, Dad. Dad, all set? I always am. Protect yourself. What are these weird noises? Dad, give in. You're way too slow. Not in your wildest dreams. What's going on here? Nothing. Whoops. Now clean it all up. Protect yourself. It's a lost cause. I'll have some water. More. Wait a second. I have a gold water cooler just for you. Wow. Pull the lever and the glass fills up with water. Whoa! I love it. Bruce, would you like some water? I have better things to do. I have to think about this. What stuff can I use to make a water cooler? I have a few ideas. Cardboard, screwdriver, scissors. My water cooler is done. Josie, put that down. Check out this water cooler I made. Do you like it? Let's put it to the test. Dad, it's awesome! My turn! This is actually a lot of fun. Turning on. Whoa! Mom, thanks for buying me this amazing TV. Bruce, this box should be in the trash. No! Throw it away! Leave it! It could come in handy. But why? Mom, it's for Dad's page. I'm in charge here. No, I am. Dad, I made a TikTok. Well done, honey. My favorite song. I wonder what my daughter is listening to. I see. Time to play. Sweetie, look what I have. A poster of your idol. Thanks, Dad. Let's put it up on the wall. Like this? Awesome. Why is this poster here? So tacky. This is what true fans do. I'll fasten it better here and over here. No way! Josie, check out who I found. Are you happy? Whoa, Mom! How did you do that? So lucky. Thanks. Can I have your autograph? Sure. Smile. For Josie. May I go now? That was the deal. Put a blazer on? Nah, it's boring. A jacket? No way. A shirt is perfect. Oh no, the shirt is torn. Mom! Josie, what's the deal? It's easy to fix with this pin. Draw a diamond on felt. Attach a string of decorative stones to the outline. Fill it in with crystals and beads. Attach cardboard and another layer of felt to the back. Glue on a pin back. Whoa! Thanks, Mom! My favorite top is ruined! What's wrong? See for yourself! No worries, I'll be right back. Some scissor magic and it's done! Josie, your favorite top is so punk now! Thanks, Dad! I like it even more this way! What dress should I go for? Whoa! I love this one! And this as well! It's so hard to make up your mind! Honey, did you find a dress? I have no clue which one I should pick! Why choose when you can get both? Take this one too! And this! Keep up! My mom is a shopaholic! Nah. Nope. Whoa! Dad! This is my dream dress! I see! You can have it! Yay! All you need to get a dress done is some creativity. Here! What is it? The dress from the picture. No way! Hi! You are watching your favorite DIY channel. And I'm gonna show you how to make a dress from whatever supplies you have. Don't forget to smile! I'm almost done! So close! Come on! Whoops! I broke my phone! Mom! What happened? This! It's no big deal. Here's a new phone. Thanks! Wow! Essay! Whoops! Here's a new phone. Got it! Got it! Whoops! Hold on! Here you go! Thanks! Another new phone! We have to do something about it! A case that protects a phone from breaking! And a custom bracelet! Cut off a piece of ribbon. Sew a piece of clear plastic to the center. Sew elastic string to the edge of the ribbon and fasten with an accessory binding. Make a hole in the case and fasten the other end of the elastic ribbon to it. Decorate the case with 3D stickers. What? Almost dropped it! Thanks, Dad! Awesome idea! Do you like this bag? Not really. What about this? Nah. This cute clutch bag? Yeah, I want it! This bag is great for making TikToks! Sweetheart, what bag do you like more? Which bag? This one is fine! Great choice! And I made a bag out of it! Cut 2 rectangles from a paper bag. Put in clear stationery folders. Make a bottom using folder pieces and cardboard. Add sides and assemble a bag. Poke holes. And attach a chain to be a handle. Whoa, Dad! You are a genius! A stylish genius! No! This pendant is cute! Dad, I want this clover leaf! Where do I get one like that? I know! What? Going to art class all my life was a good idea! What's happening? Josie asked me for a clover pendant! Sweetie, I have an actual pendant! For you! Cut a clover leaf out of glitter foam paper. Glue a wire around the outline. Cover it with gel polish and dry it with a UV lamp. Decorate it with gold leaf. Add a chain. Your soda! Freeze! Give me the clover! Relax! You'll get a clover! This one's even nicer! Thanks! High five! I got the notebook! Now I have to pack my pencil case! Oh no! It's ripped! Sweetie, what are you doing? I'll make up my mind after I finish. Dad! My pencil case is dead! Let me see. It's not the case. It's the pencils. I'll tie an elastic band around them. And add a rainbow so it looks nice. Here! Thanks! The rainbow is really cute. I was glad to help you. Josie! You can take my school case if you want. I inherited it from my grandfather. Whoa! Thank you, Mom! This case isn't getting ripped anytime soon.
Ooh.
The show is about to begin. Hold on. What's wrong with Josie? Oh no! I forgot it's her birthday. What do I do? I know! Cook popcorn and mix it with sugar syrup. Put it in a silicone mold and let it dry. Make a case using pre-made layers. I made a popcorn cake! My cake is healthier! Happy birthday, honey! Whoa! A candle! And popcorn! I adore it! Yummy, isn't it? My cake is better! The birthday girl has 2 cakes! Hi! You are watching my vlog, and this is Vivian! Say hi! And Josie! Oh! A delivery from YouTube! What's inside? Let's open it now! It's a diamond button! My channel is so popular! Hi! You are watching your favorite DIY channel! Subscribe and hit the thumbs up!